As we explained to you, if you've seen some of our other videos, that this is a health and wellness channel. It's not just about following me on my journey for my weight loss, but it also helps you understand how to eat properly. And what I'm going to show you today is how to make a raw food mason jar salad, okay? I really like this particular jar because it shows you the ounces. You see the ounces? And you know that you've eaten too much if you go beyond 16 ounces. And this is all you want to eat for the day, okay? 16 ounces, not using tomato sauce, but the mason jar. Okay, I'm also going to add Trilogy health seeds, the flax, chia, and hemp all put together. This is very important seasoning for what we're about to do. I'm going to use some grapeseed oil instead of EVOO. And we're going to add a little spice to it and use some kosher dill whole pickles. All right, so let's get started. Let me show you the fruits and vegetables, and it's really simple. Everything here is going to work on your circulation. Because we are trying to get that blood moving and wake our bodies up, everything that I'm putting into the mason jar is going to be a helpful aid toward your circulation and waking up your body, your veins, your vessels on the inside. We have cilantro. We have cucumbers. We have scallions, whole tomatoes, radish. What is this, everybody? Cabbage. It looks like a baby cabbage, doesn't it?
What do you think it is? You said what?
A cabbage.
All right. What do you think this is?
A cabbage, a cabbage, a cabbage!
I think I'm having brain fart myself. Anyway, we're gonna put this in, okay? We have lemons.
Lemon.
And we have...
I would say it's a Brussels sprout.
Bell pepper.
It is! Ding, ding, ding! Daddy wins.
That's a bell pepper. It's a Brussels sprout. I knew it. It's a bell pepper.
So we're gonna use the green bell pepper, the orange bell pepper, and the yellow bell pepper. Okay, I like to call them the rainbow of vegetables. And then over here, of course, is our famous mushroom. Okay. All right. So I'm just gonna get to chopping these up. Real simple. This is the most simple little salad meal that you can have. The cucumber that I'm cutting up right now, this is full of H2O. That is one of the reasons why we are going to put that into our mason jar, because this is very important, water soluble. And we're just gonna put these in here like that, okay? Just a few of them, because we're gonna stop once we get to, what? 16 ounces. But we need enough cucumbers in here because, again, like I said, it's more water than anything. All right, what I'm gonna do is cut up some cilantro here. Cilantro aids in the blood circulation. So guys, gals who really don't like cilantro, try to spice it up a little and get to like it. It is your friend for your blood circulation. And what we're gonna do is sprinkle this, just a little bit of it in here, because what I wanna do is layer it properly. So we're just gonna put some in there like that, and we're gonna save some as we move along with the other fruits and vegetables. I'm gonna cut the scallions, And we're gonna do the same to this. We're gonna make sure that we have the proper layering. The reason why we're using the scallion is because it's not so hard of an onion. You get the flavor of an onion without the harsh bite. So we're just gonna add that in there like that, okay? And take some tomatoes, chop up the tomatoes. Now guys, you don't have to cut everything so small, okay? Big and chunky is the way to go these days. Ain't that right, big girls? Big and chunky. But we want to be healthy with it. All right, so we layered that properly, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut just half of the orange sweet pepper, and I'm going to cut it up just so. Again, it doesn't have to be so difficult. We're gonna add this rainbow. Now I told you we were layering. More cilantro. More cilantro. Gonna put that to the side. Green pepper. Green pepper is really good for meat eaters who are going vegan or vegetarian or just taking a break from eating meat, because the green pepper is almost like the steak or the beef of the rainbow sweet peppers. That is why in most stir fries, when you're talking about steak stir fries or anything similar to that, the main ingredient is the green bell pepper, because it helps to enhance the flavor of pretty much anything that you put it against. Now again, we're layering, so I'm just going to take a few of these. We're going to add it there. I'm going to take my radish. Excuse me if this looks like a mess now, guys. I love radishes. You know, I'm gonna say a couple of months ago, I think I was avoiding radishes, but now, oh my goodness, they are just so nice and yummy. I think I just fell in love with the crunch. I can eat them like my family eats potato chips, really. Now with this, because radishes are so crunchy, I am gonna cut them a little smaller than the rest of the vegetables that I've been putting in, because they are chunky. And as you see, we're getting a nice little mirage of rainbow in there. But again, guys, you want to manage your weight and pay attention to how you're eating and what you're eating. What is this again, Daddy?
A Brussels sprout.
I said Daddy, but good job, Freedom. So, check it out. Isn't that nice? For all you artists out there, once you get to chopping up the inside of a fruit and vegetable, you get all these beautiful little designs on the inside. Don't be afraid to eat fruits and vegetables raw, guys. It is actually the best way of getting the nutrients that you need. Now, I must say I'm not a fan of raw, what is this again?
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts! Can't go below but for me.
Do it taste like a Brussels sprout?
It does. You want to taste it?
Sure.
All right, here.
That is a melon.
All right, the baby approves. I actually bought these at the grocery store not too long ago today, because I was actually going to make a soup. And I'm going to show you how to use your leftover fruits and vegetables a little later, because fruits and vegetables, you want to cook and be able to eat them fairly quickly. So with your leftovers, oh, this is a yellow bell pepper, sweet pepper. And once again, we're just gonna chop it up. Chop it up really nice and sweet here. And just add that in there. Again. Now what we are missing is the red bell pepper. That is because I used it last night, but that's okay. We're getting everything that we need out of this right now. Now we're going to cut the mushroom. And even the mushroom has really nice designs. Look at that. It's almost like velvet or silk or something. It's really neat. But we're just gonna go ahead and chop this up. Mushrooms give you lots of protein and fiber as well. And as a vegan and vegetarian, this is another special meat of the earth. So, love your mushrooms, guys. You're getting lots of potassium from it. And you're getting the same vitamins and nutrients that you would from, I think we just made it, from, what is it, tofu. So that's why that's in there. Now the last thing that we're gonna do, because we are at that 16-ounce mark, guys, I'm going to sprinkle the rest of my cilantro on top. We're going to take a lemon. This is gonna give it some citrus. Ooh, we're just gonna squeeze that in there nice and right there. I'm a spice chick, so I'm gonna take my habanero peppers. Now this is optional. It's optional, but it's for me. So I'm gonna cut up my spices here. This, I'm gonna say, doesn't add to the 16 ounces. This is just the seasoning of it all now. I'm gonna cut up my habanero peppers and I'm gonna throw that in there. I'm going to use the flax, chia, and hemp seeds. This is going to help me to stay full, okay? And it's going to help me to keep my energy up. And it's also gonna aid in waking up all those body parts that need touching. So we're gonna add the chia seeds, the hemp seeds to it. Ooh, nice. You don't need a lot, just enough to get you going. I'm gonna pour some grapeseed oil into the jar. The grapeseed oil is gonna help coat your stomach and keep you looking nice and fresh. And to top it all off, guys,
Pickles.
we just gonna slice this thing right in half. And we have made it to the top. So there you have it. This will be my dinner for the night. This will be my one meal for 5 days. And I hope you enjoy it. Try it out. Come back and see me. I'll put all the ingredients in the link below. And we'll get on the scale at the end of the week. Thumbs up. Right, Freedom? High five.
Oh no! You're burning!
Oh, that's right. I had habanero peppers on my fingers. Oh no!
Hey guys, I hope you love this channel. Go to our channel. Subscribe to our big booty. What? Subscribe to our big booty. Subscribe to our big booty mommy.